Dear student, in this video we will learn SAS side angle side congruence condition and problem of worksheet 2. The side angle side in short form SAS congruence condition SAS congruence condition. Suppose you have two triangle ABC and triangle PQR in which AB is equal to PQ, angle B is equal to angle Q, BC is equal to QR. Then we say that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by side angle side. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, angle B is equal to angle Q if and BC is equal to QR, then by SAS congruence condition triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. ये SAS congruence condition से क्या होगा, ट्रायंगल ABC कॉन्ग्रुएंट होगा ट्रायंगल PQR का. ठीक है. नोट में क्या जानना है, या हम लोग लिखेंगे कैसे SAS कॉन्ग्रुएंस कंडीशन को, SAS कॉन्ग्रुएंस कंडीशन, SAS कॉन्ग्रुएंस कंडीशन को कैसे लिखेंगे. देखिए, two triangle are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are respectively equal to the two corresponding sides and the included angle of the other. This is the SAS congruence condition. This is the SAS congruent condition. Here, two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are respectively equal to the two corresponding sides and the included angle of the other. This is the SAS congruence condition. Note, in SAS congruence condition, the angle in the note में क्या है, the angle in the SAS congruence condition should always be the included angle between the two considered sides, considered sides। इसका मतलब क्या समझे, जब भी ऐसे एस में आप एंगल लोगे तो दोनों साइड से इंक्लूडेड होना चाहिए। जब भी आप ऐसे एस में एंगल लेंगे तो क्या होना चाहिए, दोनों साइड से इंक्लूडेड होना चाहिए। ठीक है। नाउ वी स्टार्ट वर्कशीट 2, द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वर्कशीट 2। वर्कशीट 2, here the first question is, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to EF and BC is equal to EF। ठीक है। Here figure is, suppose this is the triangle ABC, here vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and another triangle is triangle DEF। ये DEF, this is two equal sides, these two are equal। ठीक है। Here question is, what additional information is required to make the two triangles congruent by SAS congruence condition। SAS congruence condition, SAS से और इस दोनों ट्राइंगल में और कौन सा एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए ताकि दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाए। ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, देखो दो साइड तो दोनों ट्राइंगल का दो साइड इक्वल है, तो इससे इंक्लूडेड एंगल यदि दोनों का बराबर हो जाएगा तो तुम्हारा दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएगा। क्या लिखोगे, नाउ सॉल्यूशन में क्या लिखेंगे, सॉल्यूशन में इन ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल DEF, इन ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle DEF, here AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to, ये भी गिवन है, EF ये भी गिवन है। If angle B is equal to angle E, if angle B is equal to angle E, then by SAS congruence condition, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, triangle ABC congruent to triangle क्या होगा, DEF। so additional information angle B is equal to angle E is required so that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF। is it clear? Now question number 2, in question number 2 here triangle ABC is isosceles, triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC। here figure is, this is the triangle ABC, here side AB is equal to side AC, this angle is equal to this angle, it is given, this vertex is D। ठीक है। line segment AD bisect angle A and meet the base BC at D। find the third pair of corresponding parts which make triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC by SAS congruence condition. Next is it true to say that BD is equal to CD and why? Here question is, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Line segment AD bisect angle A, so these two angles are equal. Find the third pair of corresponding part, then make triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. Solution. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, AB is equal to AC. It is given angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Also it is given AD is equal to AD. AD is equal to AD, which is common. So by side angle side congruence condition, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. Is it clear? So the third pair of corresponding part is AD is equal to AD. Now, is it true to say that since triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC, ADB congruent to triangle ADC, therefore by CPCT BD is equal to CD. Is it true? ठीक है, तो तुमसे क्या पूछा गया? Is it true to say that BD is equal to CD? Yes. Is it true? By CPCT, because triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. Now question number 3. Here in question number 3, here in figure AB parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC. AB parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC. ये क्या दिया है? फिगर में दिया है. एक फिगर बना लो. ऐसा फिगर है. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Side AB is equal to side CD. It is equal. ठीक है. Given क्या है? AB is equal to DC and AB parallel to DC. First is triangle angle BAC equal to angle DCA and Y. Second is triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA by SAS congruence condition. और थर्ड क्या है? State the three facts you have used to answer to. You have used to answer to. तीनों फैक्ट बताना है. सॉल्यूशन देखिए. Here first is, since AD parallel to DC and AC be the transversal. Therefore angle BAC is equal to angle DCA by alternate interior angle. Angle BAC is equal to angle DCA is equal to by alternate interior angle. ठीक है, फर्स्ट पार्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट, इज ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल CDA कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाई SAS. क्या लिखेंगे? इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल CDA, ABC एंड CDA क्या लिखेंगे? AB इज इक्वल टू CD, एंगल BAC इज इक्वल टू एंगल DCA. ये क्या है? गिवन है. और ये किससे हो गया? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर से हो गया. थर्ड इज AC इज इक्वल टू CA विच इज कॉमन साइड. So by SAS congruence condition, triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. ABC congruent to क्या होगा? CDA होगा. Now third part. State the three facts you have to use to answer to. Three facts of triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA are: first is AB is equal to CD, second is angle BAC is equal to angle DCA, and third AC is equal to CA. Answer. Now question number 4. चलो ये वीडियो काफ़ी लंबा हो जाएगा. 4 और 5 का वीडियो जो है हम अलग से बनाएंगे. थैंक यू.